Meaning of disinvest.
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 Disinvest. The term disinvest refers to the act of selling or divesting assets, typically relating to investments. It can also refer to a government's decision to withdraw financial support from certain industries or companies. The result of disinvestment can vary depending on the context, but it is generally a reduction in financial ties and resources. For example, individual disinvestment may result in a decrease in personal wealth or investment portfolio size, while government disinvestment can lead to reduced funding for programs or decreased economic support for certain sectors.